What's happening, everybody on YouTube? Steve here, Raiken Profit. Welcome back to another video. And I always get asked, what type of clothing should I buy and sell on eBay from thrift stores? A lot of people go to thrift stores like Goodwill, Salvation Army, Savers, and they're looking for clothes to flip. You might be a first-time viewer and you're wondering what are the best types of items to buy and sell. Well, I can tell you right now, I actually just ran into a YouTube subscriber at the thrift store. Big shout out to Jerry. And I literally just helped him find an item. I'm gonna link it up right here. This is Jerry and the item that I helped him find. And he had initially passed it over. He actually had gone through the sweater section, he was telling me, and he told me that he had found a Patagonia. And we went over to the sweater section together to take a look and analyze the deal to see if it was a good fit. And we ended up passing on the Patagonia pullover sweaters. They were made out of lamb's wool because they were pilling. They had those little tiny balls that were starting to develop all over the sweater, so we decided to pass on it. But in any event, we started looking through the sweaters and we came across this Tommy Bahama that you had seen. And what type of items should you buy and sell? First and foremost, brands that are popular, brands that people want to buy and sell, brands that have a market, right? For example, Tommy Bahama is definitely an awesome brand that sells really, really well on eBay. Now, not every single Tommy Bahama is going to sell. And the point that I'm circling around the hit on is this. You got to find a really good brand, right? But in addition to that, what's even more important is finding something that's just unique, something's different, something that has a really interesting selling point, right? It can be a really big size. It can be an interesting material, maybe lamb's wool, or maybe, cashmere or linen, right? Cotton and traditional wool and different things like that. It still sells well, but in certain brands, there's certain materials that just seem to command a higher price. So the size could be a unique selling feature. The material, the design, the color, the pattern, or something like this Tommy Bahama that I just showed you that Jerry had found is a Philadelphia Phillies embroidered item. So there's an embroidery on an item. There's a couple things unique about this item I showed you. Number one, Tommy Bahama and the Philadelphia Phillies coming together. That's unique. Number two, the tag, it actually said reserved seat. So it looks like maybe Tommy Bahama and the MLB or the Philadelphia Phillies, they teamed up and they created this unique type of clothing item just for the Philly fans. So that's definitely interesting right there. And it's just a nice color, but really the embroidery. Things that are weird and unique and different when it comes to clothing, and you've got a good brand, commands a really, really good price. So what should I buy? What types of clothing items should I buy? Find brands that are popular that are just weird. So the clothing item is just a weird item. Those are going to bring you in the most amount of money. So, spend time going through the eBay sold listings. I do this on a regular basis. Literally, I just go to ebay.com and type in men's clothing, hit the sold listings. I've done tons of videos on this, and I just study what brands are selling well. And then once I find a good brand, I type that in. So maybe Tommy Bahama, and then study what styles, what patterns, what materials, what types of clothing items within that particular brand are selling well. It could be jeans or sweaters or blazers or sport coats or suits. The list goes on and on. But there's just so many clothing items that can make you money. But in general, as a rule of thumb, the point I'm trying to make in this video is brands with a good market sell well, but if you could find things that are weird and unique and just different, right, outside of just like a traditional plain item, can make you money. Like, for example, here's an item I found at the Goodwill the other day. I kept it for myself because it fit perfectly, but this is a Brooks Brothers long sleeve polo shirt. Why did I buy this? Well, it looks great. The color's interesting. It's got a nice striped pattern. It's got the nice contrasting collar, the white collar with the stripes. Plus, it has the logo right here. So if you could find a clothing item with a logo on it, that's typically going to help it to sell better as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, big shout out to Jerry, man. Hopefully you enjoy that Tommy Bahama that I hooked you up with, man. It was $3.49. Probably going to sell anywhere between 50 to 80 bucks plus shipping. Somewhere in there. I know I saw a Red Sox one that had sold for $66 plus $11. So definitely do some more research on that, Jerry, if you're watching this. But guys, go out there. there, make it happen. I'm telling you right now, there's still plenty of opportunities at the thrift stores, garage sales. Even though the competition is increasing, the prices are still increasing. If you're going out there and you're looking and you're putting in the time, you're gonna find stuff like that Tommy Bahama that you can flip from $3 to $60 all day long. So with that being said, keep on picking and making that money, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.